Welcome to our tutorial on the correct use of the protected lane. A protected lane for turning right, often referred to as a right turn filter lane, is designed to improve traffic flow and safety at intersections. This dedicated lane allows vehicles intending to make a right turn to exit the main flow of traffic, reducing delays and the risk of collisions. These lanes are typically marked with road signs and road surface markings to guide drivers safely into the turn lane. At some junctions, traffic lights specifically control right turn movements, allowing vehicles to turn without conflicting with oncoming traffic or pedestrians. This setup helps streamline the traffic going straight and ensures a safer, more organized turn for right-turning vehicles. If a driver fails to move correctly into a protected lane for turning right, causing them to block the traffic behind, it can lead to several issues. Primarily, it disrupts the flow of traffic, creating congestion and delays for other road users. This may frustrate drivers and increase the risk of accidents as other vehicles may attempt to maneuver around the blockage. Be aware of the effect you have on the traffic behind you as well as in front. Right, let's see how to do it correctly. To correctly move into a right protected lane, follow these steps. Plan ahead. As you approach the intersection, be aware of the road signs and markings indicating a right turn lane. Signal early. Use your right turn signal well in advance to alert other drivers of your intention to change lanes. Check mirrors and blind spots. Before changing lanes, check your rear view and side mirrors, and glance over your right shoulder to ensure the lane is clear. Merge smoothly. Once you see a gap, move into the right turn lane without sudden movements, keeping a steady speed. Position correctly. Align your vehicle in the center of the lane, ready to turn when the traffic lights or road conditions allow. These steps help ensure you are in the correct position, minimizing disruption to the flow of traffic behind you. So check your rear view and right door mirror, ensuring that it is safe to move to the right. Indicate to the right. Now move right into the protected lane, in preparation to turn right at the junction. Remember the walk across rule. If you've got enough time to walk across, you have enough time to drive across. When a sufficient gap appears, make progress to the right. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for future productions.